Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include leather seats, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2015 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.